Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to be working on this 6x2x6, 2x4 garden tractor thing that we had built last year. After we ended up finishing up the video on it, though, it kind of just got stuck over here in the corner, so I guess this is going to be will it run again kind of a video. So let's do a little walk around and see what kind of condition it's still sitting in. Well, looks a little dirty, but that's to be expected, I suppose. Something oh yeah, that's right. I forgot we had no air filter in this thing, as that broke off. So I think I do have a spare of one of these. We can swap that out. Did we leave gas in it? Oh, thankfully we drained it. That's surprising. Normally I don't do that. Should, but don't. Oil. What are we looking at for oil? Definitely add some oil. Alright, and of course, it would appear all four tires are flat. So let's get some wind in these tires and check on the battery. Whoever invented these power tool battery pack air inflator things, they're a genius. They make them for Milwaukee, Mower, which is Harbor Freight, D-Walt. They all have them, but these things are awesome. Well, these tires are definitely dry rotted, so they'll probably leak down pretty quickly, but it should be fine for now, I guess. Alright, to top off this engine oil, we are using, what do we have today? Heavy duty diesel, 1540. Sure, why not? That's what we have sitting around, and dump it all over the engine. That was a lot less graceful than it could have been. Alright, I did find in my spare parts bin a setup that doesn't have this torn out of it. Could we probably just epoxy that in there? Yeah, probably. But let's just swap this out anyways. And the carb actually looks pretty clean in there. The right thing to do would probably be to clean this out, get all the junk and dirt out of it. Perfect. Alright, and then we do have a brand new air filter, but I don't want to use it on this one, so we're not. Clean. Alright. then I think we can get some gas and check our battery. Alright, this is also last year's gas, so it actually smells alright. Well, I actually thought I had more than that, so I'm gonna have to go find some more gas. Alright, so this is this year's gas. Make sure to dump it all over, so when it starts arcing, it just lights on fire. That'll be great. Should probably check and see how much of the oil we actually dumped in there versus in it. It appears we made not enough in it. Let's see if this even wants to fire up here or turn over. Nope. It would appear that the battery is not charged. Let's see if it'll turn over now. A little juice to begin with. Yeah, the goal here was to try to cut out this ditch. So let's see how it does. So not really related to tractors or anything, but we are in the middle of cicada season, and I just kind of wanted to show you what these guys look like when they come out of the ground in like hordes. Herds, lots of them. So this is my tree line, and if you look in here, you can see these guys are everywhere. Here's a bunch of like their dead skin sheddings, I guess, but man, these guys are just taking over. It's pretty cool. I guess it happens once every like 17 years or something, but if you look at the ground, you can see all these holes. Oh, see, they're falling out of the tree. You can see all these holes of where they're coming out of the ground at. That is crazy. So cool. Well, it made it through and got stuck a handful of times, but yeah, you can see it's all cut out. But let's go see if we can get it stuck again. Last I remember, this thing does great donuts, so let's see if it'll still do donuts. going to do it for this episode. It wasn't like a true revival because it's only been sitting for probably half a year or so, but still gets up and runs and does kind of what we wanted to. So that initial build I think went pretty well. Doing donuts in it is probably by far the most fun, and it does cut. Just having those open differentials, if you were to weld those solid, this thing would be invincible, but it's not. So one tire goes flat after about 10 minutes. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, appreciate it if you do, or don't. I hope you like this episode, and until next time, take care.